तो चारों तरफ ही पौधे पौधे हो गए। मुझे ना डर लग रहा है कि पीछे छिपकली ना हो। कोई नहीं होगी भी तो। एनीवेज, वेलकम बैक टू टॉक नो मोर शो। इट इज ब्लू आवर, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सो नाइस। सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस शूटिंग हेयर। शूटिंग तो ऐसे बोलो कितना बड़ा सेटअप वगैरह करके बैठ रही हूँ। ओके गाइस, सो तुम्हारे भाई के साथ सब कुछ एक्साइटिंग सिर्फ उसके पेपरों में या जब वो बिजी होता है तभी होता है। ठीक है, तो कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट, सो व्हाट हैपेंड आज विच इज़ 25th ऑफ सितंबर, मुझे जाना था कोर्ट। सो बेसिकली मैं आपको पिछले हियरिंग की थोड़ी सी कहानी बताऊंगी। एंड विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई रिस्पेक्ट एवरीवन, दिस इज़ जस्ट अ फन स्टोरी फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव। प्लीज़ ना मेरा लाइसेंस कैंसिल करना, ना मेरा यूट्यूब करना, ना मेरी सिटीजनशिप छीन लेना प्लीज़। अभी तो फिर पैसा भी नहीं कमाना शुरू किया। तो येस, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर फन। नो ऑफेंस टू एनी वन, no offense to any or anybody or whoever is trying to be Cinderella, none of you, please, this is just for fun because I found it funny. So yes, coming back to the point, क्रॉप करनी पड़ेगी इसको थोड़ा सा। हाँ, so basically guys, I was telling you about my experience of today. So आज से पहले मैं थोड़ी सी बैक स्टोरी दूंगी। So last time बर्थडे पार्टी की थी। अब इससे पहले कि कोई और काम आ जाए, अरे यार, हाँ, मैं तुम्हें कहानी सुनाती हूँ। सो पिछली बार जब मैं गई थी तो बेसिकली देयर वर 3 पार्टीज़, ठीक है, कंप्लेनेंट, ऑपोजिट पार्टी 1, ऑपोजिट पार्टी 2। सो लास्ट टाइम जब मैं गई थी तो मेरे को मेरे सारे काउंसल्स ने, सारे एडवोकेट्स, एसोसिएट, सीनियर्स, सब ने मुझे ये चीज़ बोली थी कि बिकॉज you are going for the first time and judge is a little strict, so you do not have to really argue with him and you just have to say that you are an intern. Okay, I was like ठीक है, 2 चीज़ करनी है, आर्ग्यू नहीं करना, सॉरी ढंग के बोल दूँगी, और उसकी जगह क्या कहते हैं, क्योंकि एक्नॉलेज करना ज़रूरी है, वरना उनको लगेगा ये इग्नोर कर रही है बंदी मुझे, दैट वुड बी मोर ऑफेंसिव। तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, आई विल डू, काम धंधा है भाई, उसमें तो चलता है। तो आई was like कि ठीक है, and then I went there and that is exactly what I did. So basically opposite party 2 को, क्योंकि मैं opposite party 2 थी, तो opposite party 1 was someone else from another office, another firm, another company. So basically they wanted their deletion because they were not the right party to be pleaded. So while filing the application, honorable judge asked me कि as your opposite party 1, would you like to argue with them upon the application? And I was like, I should not, but I should also as well, because we will be the only party left if complainant comes by any chance. So I was like, sorry your lordship, I'm just an intern. And he went bonkers on me. Here he was like, oh, you are just an intern, I am not counting you as in, this is just OP1 present, I will write in the author that OP2 से कोई नहीं आया था and stuff like that. The very second I gave them the authority letter, and in the authority letter it was mentioned that my intern Nishita Rohadgi, my intern Nishita Rohadgi can take any further steps to conclude the proceedings, so which includes arguing as well according to the interpretation. So then he went bonkers on me. He told me like how lucky I am that I am working in a firm, I am interning in a firm which let me argue on their behalf. Not every firm lets you do this. And this person from OP1, she was acknowledging it like she never went. Might be possible as well. So she was like, yes sir, yes sir. And I was like, dude, that should be me. Duh. But anyways, so I was like, yes sir, sorry sir, I will remember sir, will do sir, will read the facts from the next time. Though I knew the fact, but because I was not allowed to argue, I was like, let it go, does not matter, it's okay, he's elder, he is like my grandfather, let it go, it's okay, you do not argue with elders. So I was like, okay. Then after giving the order, so he said ki what should be the next date. I was like, any date which is nearest. It was like 25th September. I was like, okay, you will come, then I will give the dismissal. I was like, wow, dude, that is the moment. दी मोमेंट ऑफ माई लाइफ। आई थॉट आई बिकेम एन एडवोकेट, आई थॉट मेरा सब कुछ हो गया, आज से तो लाइसेंस ही मेरा। वो जो ईगो बूस्ट मिला था ना मुझे, वो मेरे 5 साल में कभी नहीं मिला, वो मुझे 5वें साल में मिल गया था। लवली। ओके, so today is 25th September and I went to the court and I stood there. Then because I didn't had that collar, so he understood that she is just an intern, and then he was like, are you an intern? I'm like, yes sir, I'm an intern. So he was like, just look at the kids nowadays, the person who have signed the authority letter have enrolled in 2023 and they also need interns to run. There is a recent judgment of High Court in the in Miss Banerjee's court, Honorable Justice Banerjee's court, that like no person except for the counsel or the advocate who is licensed to argue cannot argue on their behalf or be a proxy or even like come and give that in instead of them and stuff like that. He gave me a good 15 minutes lecture on this, and then he was like, I'm not marking you present. And then I'm like, no sir, actually last time you have only asked me to come. And then he was like, did I ask you? I'm like, yeah sir, you did ask me. And then he was like, okay, I'll check it. Then he checked the order and he checked the file basically, and there was the authority letter that I provided him last time as well. So it is funny, he was like, but I asked you to come with your counsel. And I was like, shouldn't that be mentioned? I thought because last time अकेले तो इस बार भी मैं अकेले आ ही सकती हूँ ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि आर्ग्यू तो करना नहीं था, आपने बोला डिसमिस करोगे, बट उन्होंने DID दे दिया। मुझे DID की फुल फॉर्म नहीं पता, बट व्हेन आई कॉल्ड माई सीनियर काउंसिल एडवोकेट वट एवर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम, when I called him, he was like, oh, that must be on the default part, but it is not dismissed, but I'll see it forward. So is there any next date? Everything, no sir, there is no next date given. So he was like, okay, thank you so much, and then we kept the phone. But overall I was like, यार मतलब पिछली डेट पे आपने तो इतना मुझे डांटा क्योंकि मैंने आर्ग्यू नहीं किया, इस डेट में मैं आर्ग्यू करने गई, आपने मुझे उससे भी डांट दिया। मेरे को बहुत अजीब लगा है, मतलब क्यों यार, क्यों weird. Even he told me there is this case where a guy and his father stood instead of the advocate, and the father is going to get jailed because of that. But the bench who actually wrote the complaint and the compliance did not take any further step because वो bench लगी नहीं रही 8 महीनों से, तो अभी तो वो सेफ प्ले करे, पर जब भी लग गई वो जेल जाएंगे। I personally feel like I don't know what is going on in our judiciary system. I want to say a lot of things, but I cannot because I have to anyhow be there. So it is like unnecessary poison for me at this point, because if I don't go in there, I cannot change anything. I don't want कि पहले मेरा लाइसेंस कैंसिल हो जाए उसको चेंज करने से पहले। लाइक आई शुड हैव अ मौका ना एटलीस्ट, फिर उसको बच्चा कैंसिल हो जाए चलेगा। गाइज एनीवेज, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। राधे राधे।